Welcome back to my channel, and this is Hannah TEGA. If you're new on my channel, you're very welcome. If you've been before and you're back again, thank you so much for stopping by again. If you haven't subscribed by any means, please consider subscribing and please press that notification bell to notify you anytime I've got new videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple scrunchie. You can make scrunchie of any length, any size, anyhow you want it. But I'm going to be using 22 inches as the length and 3.5 inches as the width of the scrunchie. So I'm going to be taking that first, the 22 inches for the length, as you can see in the video. And after that, I'll make a marking and go ahead and measure the 3.5 inches for the width of the scrunchie. Once you've made that marking, you can use a ruler to connect all the markings together or cut right away like I'm doing. Once that is done, you want to take 9 inches for your elastic. Using your tape measure, take 9 inches and use your scissors to cut. Once that is done, you want to lay the piece, the fabric on the table and fold like that. And you can use the iron. Make sure you fold the wrong side, not the right side, because you'll be stitching down that side. Make sure you use a pin to secure it, or you can use the iron. If you can iron it, just to make it flat and smooth and accurate for your sewing. So you want to sew that bit like that all the way down. So here I'm just stitching it down that side. You can decide to make a little stitch by the width of that fabric, but here, as you can see, I've not stitched any down. So what I did was to take my safety pin and head down the midpoint of it to turn it over to the other side. So what I did, I pushed that in, then I got a pen and used the pen to turn it to the other side. Like I said, you can decide to stitch down just the bit of that side, like 1/2 inch or like 3/4, to be able to turn it over successfully. But I've used a pin, which is easy. Like I said before, you can decide to stitch that bit for easy turning to the other side, but in this case I've only used a pin. So now you want to lay it properly flat with the stitch facing that side and use the iron to press it. Here we're going to be applying the elastic, and put your safety pin like that. Let it go through the elastic, clip it, and push it in from there. Keep pushing it till you finish, and make sure you're holding the elastic on the other side so you don't lose grip of it. Once the elastic goes through that side, you want to tie both ends together. Remove the safety pin and tie it. I tied mine 3 times to make it properly secured. Yeah, I kept going on. I did that 3 times, making sure it doesn't snap. Yeah. If you don't want to do this method, you can use the sewing machine and stitch it down like several times to make sure it's properly secure. So you can either tie it like this or use the sewing machine to secure that end. Then I got the scissors here and snapped off the excess bit. The next stage now is to work with both ends. So I folded 1/4 of an inch in there, and on the other side another 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, folded it in, then inserted one into the other. Can you see? So what I did is to insert one side of it into the other side like that. So I took it to the sewing machine and I stitched that bit down, and that comes to the end of the video. Here's our scrunchie, very easy to make. And like I said, you can make any size. You can make it smaller and you can make it bigger. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you've learned how to make a simple scrunchie. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.